How to fix missing GIF option in Instagram comments. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now when you go to any post and tap on comments, you can see next to add a comments, I can add GIFs from there. I can also sort GIFs and add any GIFs I want to. So how to fix it? To fix it, go back to your home screen, tap on the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version. Tap on update. Now wait for the update to install on a device, as this feature is only available in the latest version. After install, you can tap on open, go to comments, tap on GIF. I can add any GIFs I want to. By following this simple step, you can fix missing GIF options from your Instagram comments. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.